Hey folks, in this video I'm going to be unboxing a Hoover Steamvac. I acquired this on eBay. This is the original model and all the dates are showing 1994. I've always wanted a Hoover Steamvac and I tried to find one in mint condition and this was it. Had an aunt growing up that loaned her Hoover Steamvac Silver to absolutely everybody in the family. Still was being used a couple years ago. So I have fond memories of the Steamvac being a real reliable carpet cleaner and did a very good job. This Steamvac does come with the attachment accessory, clean out tool, bare floor cleaner, the little attachment that goes up front. So it's not a bare bones machine, but you can't attach everything to it like the later models. And being an early machine, it just has the single brush roll on the bottom. It doesn't have the 5 rollers like the later models have. Compared to the carpet cleaners being built today, the overall build quality is very good. This particular unit was built in Ohio by Maytag. The Steamvac did later get made in China, but it stayed in Ohio for most of its life. And it went from 7 amps like this model, later getting a 12 amp motor, and they went back to 7 amps before they halted production.